Assalamualaikum. Today I will show you how you can recover your deleted WhatsApp messages. So first of all we will go to WhatsApp and delete some messages and then we will recover it again. Here is the conversation. I will delete it. Now we will recover it. For recovering it we will first go to setting. Here we will go to application manager. And in application manager we will go to WhatsApp. Here is option clear data. We will clear it. After clearing data you have to go to phone storage. Here we will go to phone storage, and in phone storage we will go to WhatsApp. WhatsApp we will click on database. Here is a file msgstore.db.crypt12. We will just rename it and write backup in beginning and then put dash and click OK. Now we will go back to WhatsApp and register our number again with WhatsApp. Sometime connecting. Okay, we will click OK. They will send us a number and we will enter our verification code, which is 818422. After verification they will look for backup. We will restore. They are restoring messages. Okay. Here we will type a name, any name. I will type here Sam. Here you can see the message has been recorded. If you like this video then like, share and subscribe.